G'day, welcome back. So you can see I'm finally in my workshop again. It's been a minute or a million, but yeah, I've got that panel in. That's not the best welding there, but it's stuck for now and I'll tidy it up in due course. I've also, this morning, this hole used to be down there somewhere. It's no longer a hole, it's an X hole. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Making some progress. I've also blasted and painted the hinge brackets for the door. Next job is going to be final fitting and installing of the door pillar here. Yeah, still got some fitment issues because those don't really line up. Pair of panels from the same manufacturer and those holes don't match up, so I just need to sort that on. And of course I managed to forget to put the threaded plate in behind there, so I had to poke it up and I've plug welded that in there, so that's in place. And yeah, lots happening here. Still fine-tuning the welder. I thought I was running the 0.6mm wire, turns out I was running the 0.8, so I swapped in the 0.6 and it welds a whole lot better. So that's 0.8 there. The better welds 0.6. Other stuff happening. I've still got a cylinder head over there. I've got an engine block up in the other garage, and there's an engine block behind that wing too. So lots happening down here. There will be bigger videos coming soon. It's just been a bit of a mission here, there and wherever. So yeah, stick around. There is plenty more coming. And yeah, we'll have this thing on the road at some point. It's certainly, yeah, we're getting there. I was hoping to get a bit more done, but I've kind of got stuck waiting for paint to dry now. So that'll dry. Then we can do some more welding and go from there. Lots of new tools about too. It's a bit of a beast. I love this thing. It's real handy because you can get it up under the wing when you're trying to put that on. And yeah, so lots of tools, lots of progress, lots of all sorts happening here. And yeah, we'll see you again soon. Cheers.